the most natural political step
in such conditions,
if you wish to have a democratic, peaceful transition, would be to try to build up a
more or less permanent coalition with the people who helped you to become the president. But the day after Allende's election, he was under such tremendous pressure, not so much by communists as by his own members. You are probably not aware that the Socialist Party, to which Allende belonged, did not want to choose him as a presidential candidate because they thought he was sort of too mild, too weak, not really for violent, radical, strong measures. But the other one, Altamirano, who was the general secretary and the leader of the majority, was not popular enough in Chile, so if they proposed him, he would not be elected. So Allende was really proposed by his own party because they couldn't avoid him. And so the day after the election, he was under terrible pressure to break all ties with Christian Democrats and to go along with, on the basis of the assumption that the development will be such that left-wing Christian Democrats will split from their party and join the Popular Front, and that this will make for a majority. But that didn't happen. And it was really a very naive political expectation, because you can imagine Christian Democrats accepted Tomic only conditionally. He gave full support to Allende. The two election programs were so similar that there was almost no difference between the two. So you would expect after one of them wins, he will cooperate with the other one, and you'll have a sort of national mobilization program going ahead. The other one breaks all ties with Tomic. And then the people who were not very enthusiastic about Tomic anyway have now all the argument they needed to say, now look, you are a stupid man. You believe these people will cooperate with you. You should really have voted the right-wing candidate, because we probably would have cooperated better with him. And so it took just a year that faction of Tomic, which was the majority faction at the time of election, became a small, powerless minority, and the right wing gained majority within Christian Democrats. And it took another year that this right wing got together with the Nationalist Party and formed the right wing bloc. And that was the end of Chilean Revolution. So it's a sequence of extremely crude mistakes from whichever point of view you look at them. And it would have been a wonder if they survived.
Well, Dr. Horvat, this is your third lecture today. I think we'll give you a break. It's well after 10, so I appreciate everybody coming, and I certainly encourage you to come to our next lecture, which, like I said, will be sometime in the middle of January. There'll be hopefully much more advanced notice on this next one than there was on Dr. Horvat. The quarter break kind of caught us in a bad time.